Hello everyone, it's me again, Litlip, and yes, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while guys that we haven't uploaded a vlog, and yes, for today's video is we're gonna be having a new video, and this is ARAPAL Nature Farm, and see the beauty of nature. Please enjoy this video and don't forget to subscribe. So in this video guys, is makita ninyo na I am with my classmates, and yes, we are shooting a vlog also for our project, one of our final project, and we decided to go here in ARAPAL since ARAPAL has a lot of animals and poultries, plants, green leaves, and it really reflects on what would be the subject that we do. It's all about agriculture, and ARAPAL is the perfect place for you to visit and to have a vacation if you are stressed, depressed, or if you need to unwind. Yes, in this part, this is really challenging, and if you are a fan of hiking and mountain climbing, this is a good thing for you.
Hala, uy, paabot ako. Uy, masaad ta ha? Ako matulog pandi ka dako man.
In this part, we went to the session of the goat, and this is where they put the goat, and it's very nice. And they have a different goat. They separate the girl and the boy goat. So yeah, it's very fun and it's very challenging, yet we are having fun in this video.
Pero, tapi ulo ka gamay. Diba? Uy, nag-iilog siya. Kaan ka? O, diba? Uy! Uy, di, ato ta sa laki. Lahat, landong diri. Smile! Ay, di kayo sakay. Uy, pwede ni sakyan ng white? Video naman din. Di ba hindi siya kada?
bati ano.
Okay, Ginoo. Hala. Wow. Satisfying akong pagsagka.